What's up, boys and girls? So finally I am in Jakarta and I'm enjoying my quarantine experience. Well, why I talk about my quarantine experience? Because there was some misfortune that happened in my journey. In fact, it happened in here. But before I talk about that, let me first of all I would like to talk about my journey. So I started my journey in fact I completed my journey almost in 48 hours. How in 48 hours? Because first I went to Dubai also, because of course my flight was Emirates, and then these days there is Expo also. And yeah, I'm really sorry I couldn't record for you guys, because when I reached to Dubai I was feeling terribly tired. I was having such a heavy headache, and due to that reason I couldn't record for you guys, for which Maaf Khan, and I'm really sorry. And after that I got my flight for Jakarta, and finally I was so excited and I reached to Jakarta. Of course, when I reached to Jakarta there were so many passengers and there was a long queue. A lot of people, they were waiting for the PCR test. Then of course my PCR test was also done. It was done by such a kind person. I always say Indonesian people, they are super duper friendly and very nice, though my nose is very sensitive, especially whenever I am doing a PCR test. For me it's like such a big hassle, because it gives me like, you know, my nose is too much sensitive. Anyways, after PCR test, then it was immigration. It was also a long queue, and almost after 4 or 5 hours I went through immigration as well. And then of course the hotel guy was waiting for me, and directly when he saw me he said that, "Oh, you are Sir Salman?" I said, "Yes, I am." And then suddenly he said, "Oh sir, why you are so late?" And then I told him that, well, it's not my fault, because there were long queues about PCR tests and then immigration, and that was the reason I just got out here. Anyways, he was also very friendly. Then there was my cab, and finally I reached my hotel. My plane landed at Jakarta airport almost 4 p.m. right? But when I reached to my hotel it was almost 10 p.m. or 10:30, something like that. So you can say it took almost 5 hours when I reached to my hotel. Now let me tell you about that misfortunate thing, what happened. So actually my manager booked this hotel almost 2 weeks before. Now 2 weeks before, the quarantine rule was 4 nights and 5 days. So when my manager booked this hotel for me, almost after 1 week after that, the quarantine rules were changed from 4 nights to 5 days. It was cut down to 3 nights. And then my manager already talked with this hotel receptionist or someone, and that receptionist said to my manager that, yeah, it's okay, no problem, I can still stay under 16. Now there was a misunderstanding happened. Me and my manager thought that I can release from the quarantine on 14, and then I will have 15 and 16 for exploring Indonesia, because of course I almost came here after 2 years because there was the pandemic. So I would have excuse me, my throat. So I would have 2 days I can explore Jakarta. Of course, for you guys I can make some videos which will be in fact I would also enjoy. But what happened now the other day, in fact yesterday, when I called the reception and I asked that when I am going to be released, when will be my second PCR test, and that person gave me a shock. That receptionist told me that, no sir, your PCR test will be on the last day and you will get released on 16. I said, are you kidding me? My manager already talked with you that because that my room was booked almost 2 weeks before. In that time the quarantine rule was changed, but now it is cut down to almost 3 days. She said that, I'm really sorry, I cannot do anything about that, because in your booking it's already mentioned that you will have to check out on 16. Before 16 you cannot be released. I said, come on, I'm having meetings in Jakarta, I'm expecting some important meetings in Jakarta. And that receptionist said that, I'm really sorry sir, I cannot do about this thing, and once again I really do apologize. And because of this misfortunate thing I couldn't explore Jakarta, and I'm still stuck in my room. Well, it's a decent room, though I made it very messy. Maybe you guys can see that. Maybe I will give you, I don't know how it looks. The room is of course nice, but as I said, I really made it messy, and about this messy room I really do apologize. Okay, so what other thing happened? Because of this thing, tomorrow inshallah will be my flight. Well, first of all, of course, pray for me that today they did my PCR test. Just pray that inshallah the result could come out negative. So tomorrow I will check out, and directly I will be catching my flight to Surabaya. But don't worry, inshallah I will be exploring all the famous major cities of Indonesia, and inshallah I will come back to Jakarta once again. But tomorrow on my way to the airport, definitely I will record for you guys, because to be honest, I really love Jakarta and I would really love that. So this was the story. Oh, I think it's my dinner. Wait, yeah, I will show you my dinner. I think it's room service. Wait. Just give me a second. The mic. Okay. Right. Let me get my mic. Ouch. Okay, yes, I was right. It was my dinner, though very early dinner. Usually I don't eat so quickly, but here Asian people, especially Indonesian, they always eat dinner quickly. So this is my dinner, and here we go, fruit as well. This is it. So this was the story. I really wanted to surprise you guys with the video that I explored Jakarta. Unfortunately this misfortunate thing happened, and due to this reason I couldn't record, I couldn't explore Jakarta. But as I said, don't worry, inshallah in future I will come back to Jakarta again, and in the meantime there's a lot of interesting stuff waiting for you guys, because inshallah I am going to explore all the famous cities of Jakarta. And don't worry, I'm still here inshallah for a long time. It's your support and love which always encourage me, and due to that reason right now I am here in Jakarta in Indonesia. So keep always doing that, keep always remember me in your prayers. This is Salman, and I will be signing off now.